Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10th science periodic classification of elements. This is part 5. So let us answer some of the questions in part 5. The first question in part 5 is an element X with atomic number 11 forms a compound with element Y with atomic number 8. Write the formula of the compound formed. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 11 and one more element is there, that is y. Its atomic number is 8. So now we have to write the formula of the compound formed when x reacts with y. So configuration of this element is 2 comma 8 comma 1, valency is 1, and 2 comma 6. So valency is plus 2. 2. Valency is not plus 2, it is minus 2. So the valency of x element is 1 and the valency of element y is 2. So if you crisscross it, so we can write this as x2y. x2y is the name of the formula for the compound formed. What is the compound formed? What is its formula? The compound formed is x2y. Therefore its formula is x2y. So like this we have to answer the first question. Now let us move for the second question. The second question is an element X is forming an acidic oxide. Its position in the modern periodic table will be group 1 and period 3, group 2 and period 3, group 13 and period 3, group 16 and period 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ನಮಗೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವೀಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ನೇಚರು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ನೇಚರು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಇದು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ acidic in nature. Non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. Metallic oxide are basic in nature. Metallic oxide are basic in nature. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಉಂಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 1ಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್ಲು. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದರ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 1, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 2, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 13 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 16 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದರ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 6 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1, 2, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮೆಟಲ್ಲು, 6 ಇತ್ತು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಲು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 16. The elements that belongs to group 16 and period 3 they are non-metallic, they are non-metal, and non-metallic oxide are always acidic in nature. Therefore the right answer is group 16 and period 3. Group 1 alkali metals, group 2 alkaline earth metals, then group 13 it is also metal. So group 16 its valency is 1, its valency is 2, its valency is 3, and its valency is 6. Therefore it is acidic in nature. That is non-metallic oxides are always acidic in nature. So this is how to answer question number 2. Now let us move for question number 3. Consider the following statements about an element X with the number of protons 13. Protons 13 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ if proton number is 13, then electrons also it will be, for neutral atom electrons and protons both are equal, therefore number of electrons is 13. So if number of electrons is 13, if I write the configuration, it will be 2, 8, 3. 2, 8, 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2, 8, 3 ಅಂದರೆ 13 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ. ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇದು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 3. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ it forms amphoteric oxide. Yes, aluminum oxide is always amphoteric in nature, correct. Next, the formula of its chloride is, so X ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ದು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 1, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ XCl3. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ XCl3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ XCl3. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Therefore, the answer for third question is all of the above. So, what the element X we have taken, having number of proteins 13, it is amphoteric in nature, its valency is 3, and the formula of its chloride is XCl3. Therefore, the right answer for this question is all of the above. Yes, aluminum oxide is amphoteric oxide, aluminum valency is 3, and it forms XCl3. Formula, it forms a compound XCl3 when it reacts with chlorine. So therefore the right answer is all of the above. Now let us move for question number 4. So question number 4 is, the atomic number of 3 elements A, B and C are 12, 18 and 20 respectively. State giving reason which 2 elements will show similar properties. So A, B, C, 3 elements are there. Atomic number of A is 12, atomic number of B is 18, atomic number of C is 20. So now let us write the configuration. So 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 8 and 2, 8, 8, 2. This is the configuration. So now among these 3 A, B and C, which two elements will show similar property? So element A and element C will show similar properties. Will show similar properties. Will show similar properties. So we have to give the reason for this one, because A and C has same valency. Both the valency is 2. So have same valency. Therefore they belongs to same group. They belongs to same group. The elements in the same group will show similar property. ಒಂದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ದೇ ಶೋ ದ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. A and C elements will show similar properties because A and C has the same valency, that is 2, and hence since they have the same valency, they belongs to the same group. Since they belongs to the same group, they will show similar properties. So this is how to answer for question number 4. Now let us move for question number 5. So question number 5 is, the electronic configuration of an element is 2, 8, 4. State its group and period in the modern periodic table. Name and write its one physical property ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2, 8, 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2, 8, 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 2, 8, 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಯಾವ ಪೀರಿಯಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 2, 8, 4 ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 14th ಗ್ರೂಪ್. Valency 1, first group, 2, second group, 13, 3, 13th group, 4, 14th group, 5, 15th group, 6, 16th group, 7, 17th group, 0, 18th group. So group number is 14th group. Then period we have to count which period it belongs. So K, L, M, 3 shells are there, therefore it belongs to third period. ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, 4 ಇದ್ರೆ 14th ಗ್ರೂಪ್, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 13th, 4 ಇದ್ರೆ 14th, 5 ಇದ್ರೆ 15th, 6 16th, 7 17th. ಸೊ 8 ಅಥವಾ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 18th ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 14th ಗ್ರೂಪ್. How many shells are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 shells are there. Therefore, it belongs to third period. So, like this, we have to find out to which group and which period it belongs. Now, let us find out name and write its one physical property. So, what is the name of the compound here? Sorry, name of the element here. The name of the element here they have taken as, so 2 plus 8 plus 4. It will be equal to 14. 14 means the name of the element is silicon, because silicon has the atomic number 14. So atomic number 14 irodrinda it is a silicon. Silicon anta bandaga it is its property, physical properties na bariri anta helidane. So it is non-lustrous. That means silicon is a semiconductor or silicon is a metalloid. Since it is a metalloid, and sometimes it behaves like a conductor and sometimes it behaves like a that is a non-metal, therefore it behaves like a metalloid. So or it is semiconductor, and the physical property is silicon is non-lustrous. So silicon ge yavude lustering property illa, it is non-lustrous. So this is one of the physical property that we have to mention here. Now let us move for the last question, that is question number 6. So the last question, that is question number 6, is an element X has atomic number 13. So one of the element is there and the name of that element is X and the atomic number of that element is 13. Now what we have to write, the first question is write its electronic configuration. So how to write the electronic configuration? We know the atomic number of the given element X is 13. Its configuration is 2, 8, 3. So 2, 8, 3 is the configuration. Okay. Then state the group to which the X belong. X ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ this element belongs to 13th group. So what is the name of the group to which the given element belongs? The given elements belongs to, since the valency is 3, it belongs to 13th group. Next, let us move for this question number C. In question C, they have given, is X a metal or a non-metal? X ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 or 2 or 3. If the valency is 1, it is a metal. If it is 2, it is also metal. If it is 3, also metal. So adrinda the given element, it is a metal because its valency is 3. It has the tendency to donate electrons. Then the last question of this one is write the formula of its bromide. So what happens when X element having the valency 3, when it reacts with bromine, it forms its bromide. So bromine anta bandaga its valency is 1. If we crisscross it, so crisscross madidre ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it forms a compound called XBr3. So XBr3 is the formula when X element combines with bromine to form a compound called XBr3. So XBr3 is the formula for the compound when X element combines with bromine gas. So like this we have to answer these questions, and remaining extra questions will be answered in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So Thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.